Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools. So first of all you have to do is dive into FlairAI. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have various information, but before that, let's know how you can use FlairAI. So FlairAI is a platform for creating branded content. You can just follow these steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then you create a project. The third step is upload brand assets. The fourth step is design with AI. The fifth step is review and edit. The sixth step is download and use. The seventh step is additional features, and the last step is support and resources. And we'll see all the steps in this video. So first of all, let's know what is FlairAI. FlairAI is an AI-powered platform focused on streamline and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So here we have the home page, as you can see. So let's know about pricing first. Use Flirt for free with your whole team. Upgrade to enable unlimited issues, enhanced security controls, and additional features. So it's absolutely for free. As you can see here, we have features up to 10 images per month, and we have up to 5 projects. Then if we come back, we have here various information about AI design tool for product photo shoots. Drag and drop to generate stunning products shoots in seconds. So to get started, you click just over here, and it's free, as you can see. Also, we have your explore templates, make standout content with stunning templates. You can just say the niche you want: furniture, food, still life, and other things. Also, we have your stage scenes digitally with drag and drop props, bring it to life with EA. And we have here also mix and match product with templates, test design concepts that convert customers with one click, build reusable templates at scale. And also we have some information like builds lectures faster than ever, and here fashion photo shoots and other things like iterate here, collaborate, and scale your design with APA and design with Flair also. Then if we come back to the top here and get started, we click over get started for free, and you can just use Google or you can just use email also. And here we have various information like niches. Here we have beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, staging, and we have here accessories, home goods, and other things. So if you want to start, all you have to do is click over create fashion project. Then if you click, you just have to upload product photo. As you can see, we have other photos, or for example this one. So then we have generated in the second step, and you can just modify all you want. So you can search by keywords, flowers, sunset, etc. And about prompt builder, we have first edit the prompt in this form below. You write your known product, then you have to surrender here, placement, surrendered, background, and custom. You can just write here and you choose like next to or surrendered by, background in front of, against, and with, and you write here, then placement and emerging from, parent in, balancing on, lying on, standing on, and on. And we have number of results here. You select just 1, 2, or 3, or 4, and we have your reference images and correct color, render strength, color strength, outline strength, and you select the one you want. You have here extra strong, strong, default, weak, extra weak, and no one. So then to third one, props, you can just upload custom prop here, or you select the one you want here, then you modify it here, front, back, can bullet it, and you can zoom here, you can plus it, and you can do whatever you want. Then we have here humans. You can just select formal skincare and beauty models, casual models, male models, and holding smaller products, and also here as you can see. Then we have here edit. As you can see, about tools we have remove background, magic erase, upscale creative, image variation, color, no one here. We can just select full color tint. Then here price, background color, talent also, and we have your suffix. Then you select PNG or JPG, and finally you delete your image. But if you wanna just upload your product photo, so I advise you to use canva.com. It's free. As you can see, this is my account. You can just start and sign up with Canva. Then you click over custom size and you click over presentation here. Then you can just search about your product photos. Then you have your notes, duration, timer, some also. As you can see, you can here have your graph view, present full screen, ask me anything. Then we have quick actions, add comment, position also here, have your overlapping layers, arrange, and you select the one you want. Then we have background color here, you select the one you want here as you can see. Then you click over share and you download your image or save your image, and you can upload it in Flair here, or also here you can upload custom prompt. So that's it, how you can build your projects in FlairAI. So you can, after that, and you done with these steps and you download your image, so all you have to do is share this image and YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest especially, and also TikTok videos, and you will sell that quickly without efforts or wasting time also. And that's it, how you can build your product and how you can sell the product. So in conclusion, we can just say FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing. By integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes, it enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.